Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will see about the replace method in the JavaScript, how we can use it with the regular expressions. Let's try to see that one. So how we can use this replace method. So we have a replace method in the JavaScript. So it will take the regular expression as an input and it will change that one according to the match found with the regular expression. Let's try to use that replace method and we can see in how many ways we can use that replace method. Let's try to see it. For example, let's say that here I am having an HTML. Okay, so let's say I am having a bold. This is a bold. Okay, so this is a bold, something like this I am having. Now what I want to do is I want to change this bold B tag to the strong tag. So how can I do is, for example, let's say that console.log html.replace. I can use this replace. First we need to mention the regular expression. The regular expression, how can I give is here. So first we need to match. So here we need to change the B with a closed angle bracket, and here I need to change this one. So I need to replace this one with a strong. So how can I do? First let's try to find the B within like this. Okay, now let's try to change this one. So let's try to change this one using something like strong. Fine, right? So that's it. So we can use this replace method like this. So now it will search for a B with a closing bracket. Yeah, in the two places it is able to find it, and it will replace with a strong. Let's try to see the output for this one. Node main.js. So here it is able to change in the first place, but in the second place it is not changing. So why is this happening here is we haven't given the global flag here. So we need to mention the global flag so that it will find all the occurrences in this text. So now if I try to, let's save it. Now if I try to run this node main.js, yeah, here we are able to change the bold tag to the strong tag. So this is how we can use this replace method with the help of regular expression to change a particular text. Not only with the now we can also use the scenarios also, but we can use this replace method and all those things. So regular expression to change the text. I will try to show you another scenario also with how we can handle with the groups thing. Let's say that we have a names. Okay, so we are having something like Gates comma Bill. Okay, so we are having the first name and the last name. So we need to reverse these guys names. So let's try to say that Gates and Bills. So we have another guy name, so something like Sundar Pichai. Sorry, Sundar Pichai. Sorry, I pronounced it wrongly. And we have another guy. So like this, I have tried it. Okay. So now here we have some popular names. So we are having the last name at the middle and the first name at the, so like this we are having. So now we need to reverse these names. So we need to reverse this name so that the name should be something like Bill Gates, Sundar Pichai, and also Satya Nadella, and also the comma should be removed and it should have something like Bill Gates like this. So like this you need to have Gates, and here you need to have Sundar Pichai, and you need to get something like, you need to replace it like this. So you need to change it like this. So using the regular expressions we can do it very easily, and with the replace method also. How we can do that one is, for example, let's say that I will take let new names is equal to, I will try to map over this all things, map. I will get the name for each one. Okay, and here I will try to return name dot replace. Okay, so here what I will try to do, so first I need to match the name. So here I will try to say that it needs to be one or more w plus. First we need to do something like this, yeah, slash w one or more, and it should have a comma with a space, and again it should be a one or two. Okay, but now what I want to do is I want to reverse these names. So let's make these two things as a group. Okay, so let's make this one as a group. Now if you make this one as a group, now you will be able to observe that, so this is the first group which represents this name, and this is the second group which represents this name. So this one is divided with a delimiter of comma in this. So now how can I reverse these names? How can I reverse this name? Something like So gates comma bill, it should be something like bill space gates it should be. So what I can do is here, so I can use something like $2 space $1. So here $2 represents the second group and $1 represents the first group. So like this we can replace it. So now if you try to see the output, console.log new names, if I try to see it, so then you will try to observe it. So if I try to do this node main.js, if I try to do this one, so now if you try to observe, the output is, so exactly we are able to switch the names, something like Bill space Gates, Sundar Pichai and also Satya Nadella. So we are able to replace these names exactly what we want. So this is how we can use this replace method using the groups also. So we can find the index, we can catch that index, and we can reverse these names using the index by making the regular expressions. So these are patterns as a groups. So this is how we will be using this replace method in the JavaScript using the regular expressions. So this is also one of the important concepts that you need to understand. So when you are trying to use this replace method, just try to remember these things, then you can use it very easily. Hope you understood about this replace method, how we can use this in the JavaScript. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. I will try to give the reply. And also if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.